Hey, it's Roger. I'm on location in Belmont looking at a house called the Belmont with Jack, the real estate dog. We're going to take a tour of this one. You've probably seen my videos or heard me talk about McLean. McLean is a beautiful, diverse neighborhood with custom homes costing $1.5 million to $2 million to the Conservancy with homes in the 300-ish range. Light to the back. We come in. I just want you to notice the trim. This is Evans Coghill, one of the great local niche boutique builders here in Charlotte. So right up front, you've got a living room. You can call that a reading room. A lot of ways to configure that. This house is priced at only $415,000. And if you know anything about Charlotte home builders, then you will be familiar with Evans Coghill. I first met them at the 2013 Home-A-Rama out of Cheval, and was totally impressed. That's the same time I met Grandfather Homes and Classica Homes. So, I mean, they're in good company. But just look, just even, at the casings on this door. It's just got style and class. Now, McLean itself is a force to be reckoned with. My wife and I last night came out to the Daniel Stowe Botanical Garden for their Christmas lights. Now look at this, look at the detail, the beams, the lights. Look how they framed these windows up. Just wide open, lots of space. Had a new client today in Florida tell me, hey, he likes it when I shoot outside and show you what the backyard looks like. This is playing up on that berm. McLean has everything, guys. And right next to the Daniel Stowe Botanical Garden. So that's pretty doggone cool. See, I like the big island, don't you? And you love that pattern? Nice. If you don't, let's build you one with a different pattern. I heard you say that. Look at that little home management, pay your bills area right next to a good sized pantry. Nothing in there for you, Jackie boy. Wow, I like this. Just wide open. Now the covered patio, that's what you need. That's got everything Uncle John needs. Got that nice beadboard ceiling. It's not vinyl. It's, this is just quality all the way through, guys. And when I think of Evans Coghill, I think of, $700,000, $800,000, $900,000 homes. And there's a tour or two. If you type in Evans with an S in my YouTube search bar, you'll see it. There are some great plans. Now see again, architecturally, I love it. Coming into the master on the main. So this is basically a ranch and a half, 1.5 story. It's over 3,000 square feet. I mean, right? That's plenty of room. I mean, how do you downsize, right? That's the one way. I mean, 2,000, 2,400 is really plenty. But, sometimes it's just kind of hard. Here we go, just one little step and no shower door. How cool is that shower? Wow. Wow, that's a big one. Good sized closet. There's your commode room. And again, that similar pattern carried through. But 3,100 is just nice. It gives you room to kind of spread your elbows out. And I can't overemphasize how cool it is on this side of Lake Wylie, which is basically the other side from Charlotte. So you've got to come across either 49 across the Buster Boyd Bridge, or you've got to come across, as I did today, 85 and come through the very cool and quaint town of Belmont, which is, cool and quaint. I love downtown Belmont. So you've got a nice loft here as you come up. What would you do with this loft? Looks like some unfinished storage, a good sized closet right here. Who can't ever have enough storage, right? So this one's also got a closet space. A lot of ways to use this. Here's one. It's a bedroom up. Lots of light. And here's the cool thing about this one. Jackie, did you notice this? This has got an ensuite. I know what you're thinking. This guy's crazy. He's talking to his dog. He's a real estate dog, guys. It's basically a Jack and Jill bath. I like that too. I know, I heard you. Let's build you one. I love this. And for $415,000, to me, the price sounds really reasonable. Again, because I'm used to Evans Coghill being, an $800,000 builder. So McLean is just shaping up so nice. This is called the Overlake, McLean Overlake. So Jack and Jill bath, and then you've got a loft. Plenty to love about it. Give me a call at 704-345-3400. Ask about Overlake at McLean. I can't wait to be your buyer's agent and help you in your relocation to Greater Charlotte area.